let's say, I'm just guessing because I've only just got this now, but let's say a lot dimmer lights, so it's really atmospheric and moody, dramatic. That's nice, that looks really nice. Okay, and a little bit louder with music, but not over. Okay. This is the last hour, creative writing, by Ophelia, in the corner, who gets embarrassed, so she's hiding. Arzu, maybe after I've been a bit into the speech, you could try and maybe do some movement around me.
During or afterwards?
During, because she's been writing for an hour